Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel 2016 tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to search records using Vlookup function or formula. Let's start the tutorial. Now let's enter 5. The student number 5 is Peter. So here we got Peter 5. If I enter 1 here, enter, we got Charan. Let's enter student number 6. Enter. So here we got Kumar.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
I have just opened the MS Excel application which contains a book 1. The file name is book 1, and inside this book 1 we have a sheet 1 which contains some student data, student number, student name and some subjects: English, Hindi, Maths. After that we have a total and result. Now my aim is I want to search the records based on the student number. For example, if I want to search the student number 3, which is the student name Jack, and I want to get the student name, the marks. After that we get the total and result based on the user selection student number. I want to get that the details of the student. So that functionality I'm adding one more sheet 2 for the search functionality. So first we require the labels: student number, student name, after that English, Hindi, Maths, total and the result. And let's increase the bold size, put in the middle 16. Now I want to get, for example, if I enter here some 8, student number 8, I want to get, when I press enter, the student and details. Student 8 are Irfan, and I want to get the marks, total and pass. Here I want to get automatically. Based on the student number, I want to get the details of that particular student. So first the formula is equals to Vlookup. Vlookup function takes 4 parameters. One is the lookup value. The lookup value we are getting from here, D5. D5 we will enter the student number. So first one D5, comma, and after the table array. The table array is in sheet 2. So we need to copy this whole thing, highlight this table data. Notice that sheet 1 A to Z12 and comma, and after that third column, third parameter is a column index number of the Vlookup. The column index number is 2. One is student number and the second one is the student name. So here I am adding 2, comma, and the fourth one is a true or false. I'm selecting the false, which is exact match. That's it. So let's copy this thing, paste here, enter. Notice here we got Irfan. Let's put this in the center and bold. The background color I'm selecting black and the font color is red. Let's increase the size. Edit. Now let's add the formula here to get the English subject marks here. is equals to VLOOKUP. The VLOOKUP function takes 4 parameters. The first one is the lookup value, which is here we enter the student number. So first based on the student number, I want to get the details. D5. Now the second thing is a table array. The table is in the sheet 1. So I'm selecting this sheet 1. It's copied here. Notice here D5, we have D5 is the first parameter, which is the lookup value. The second parameter is the table array, and the third parameter, comma, is the column index number, which is the English. So one is student number, second one is a student name, and the third one is the English marks, comma. I'm selecting false exact match. So let's copy this one and paste here in the sheet 2. Paste here. Enter. So here we got 23. And again I'm adding the same thing. Now here instead of 3, I'm adding 4. Enter. VLOOKUP. This is VLOOKUP. Column number 4. Here the Hindi and Maths both are 5. Something Hindi. This is not. This is 5. Here we got 24. Now we require the total and the result. The total is 52 and this one is 7 to display the result, pass or fail. Here we got pass. Now let's enter 5. The student number 5 is Peter. So here we got Peter 5. If I enter 1 here, enter, we got Charan. Let's enter student number 6. Enter. So here we got Kumar. Student number 2. And here we got the student number 2 details. The student name is Vijay. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to add a simple search functionality in MS Excel using VLOOKUP functionality. VLOOKUP is a vertical lookup. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel. Catch you in my next video tutorial.